Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Tuesday, June 16, 2020, and here is where we are. Stocks right now are poised for huge gains right at the open, like 800 points for the Dow Jones Industrial Average to the upside. No surprise to you if you follow my work. I outlined this for you Sunday, more than likely how this week would play out. Couple of other things are going on here that I am sure won't surprise you. Crude oil is being propped up again. It's up over 3% right now, and that's obviously playing into what's happening here with the stock market. Crude oil higher, energy sector higher, financial sector higher, entire market higher. It's utterly insane. It really is. And I'll tell you something else. I explain to you that I have a stock picker, right on my website. It chooses stocks for you right here, traderschoice.net. They've all been right. They've all ripped the face off of this market, and they're going to continue to do that. So take advantage of everything on my website for you, traderschoice.net. It's all free. Free. You got it? Okay. Let's talk about a few other things here. So, all right, number one, stocks are poised for big gains. Crude oil is getting propped up in a big way, and I expect that to play out even more moving forward. Cryptocurrencies are about flat. Gold and silver are about flat. The 10-year yield going up. Again, no surprise to you if you follow this blog. So what does this all mean in the grand scheme of things? Just this past Sunday, when I explained to you I expected stocks to rise this week, I said you should expect pressure on gold, pressure on silver, and pressure on cryptocurrencies. This is playing out so far yesterday, today, but we have a little fly in the ointment. Let's talk about a yellow fly in the ointment. Why is the fly yellow? Well, I guess that's the riddle here. We're going to hear from Yellowstone today, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the market will hinge on every syllable that comes out of the man's mouth. You know that. It's incredible, the power of the Federal Reserve Chair. I mean, look what they're doing. Yesterday we found out they're expanding their debt purchases of corporate bonds. They are so not done buying the world that you have no idea. If you follow this blog, maybe you have an idea. But I can promise you that we haven't seen anything yet. Again, this is a grand takeover of the entire world. Part of the New World Order. So get used to it here. The central banks are going to own it all. Everything. They're going to get to dictate all the rules moving forward, and we're just allowing it to happen. It's so sick to me to see this going on right now. We found out also today that there's going to be more debt, more spending. We're broke. America is the largest debtor nation in the history of the world. Do you think that's by accident? Do you think it's it's not by design? Of course it is. It's by design. The entire world is in debt beyond, and it's only going to get much, much worse. I mean, we haven't even scratched the surface yet with regard to debt. Nation slaves, all to their central banks, individual slaves, people, municipalities, states. But it's just happening, and no one wants to do a damn thing about it. No one wants to save the country. We're just allowing the Federal Reserve to fulfill its destiny so we can keep propping up that stock market. Do you realize that's all this is? We could be doing so much with the cash that the Fed is printing out of thin air and pumping into these markets to make life better for we the people. But no, let's prop up that stock market. Wait till we hit new record highs in short order, and you're going to hear the president, record highs. We're booming. We're doing fabulous. All the same lies that you heard prior to the scam Scamdemic. They shut down the global economy. The Federal Reserve did this. It's a black ops, psyop, in collusion with other world central banks. This thing was planted. This thing was released, all to shut down the global economy, to play it up so they can flood the airways with a loan together, the new normal, to try to twist your mind into some kind of state of acceptance. And that's what people have done. That's what they are doing. And it's going to get so much worse, people. I can guarantee you that. But not for the stock market, not right now. Stocks are going up in a big way. New records across the board are coming. The rich are going to be much richer as the middle class is fully exterminated. This guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. Listen for Jay Powell to talk later. I'll do a blow by blow on my Twitter, Facebook. So anyway, I'll keep you on top of all of it. See you later.